Hi guys, today we've got here Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First of all, connect your device to Wi-Fi. So let's open Wi-Fi settings. Select the Wi-Fi that you want to connect your device to. Then provide the password. Let me do it off the screen. So when the password is entered, wait till your phone is connected with this network, with this Wi-Fi. And now let's open the settings again. Now find and select passwords and accounts and tap on Add Account. Select Google as it is for Google accounts and provide either your email address or your phone number, whatever is connected with your account. For me, it's email address. And mark Next. And now provide the password. So again, let me do it off the screen. And once the password is entered, tap on Next. Let me just provide it one more time. There's some typo. Well, now it should work. Okay, so once the password is properly entered, tap on I agree. More. Accept. And that's it. As you can see, account has been added. To remove it, just mark the account and select remove account. Then confirm that you truly want to get rid of this account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.